On the floor of forests almost anywhere in the world, you'll find these bombardier beetles. They look fairly harmless, but not many creatures are foolhardy enough to try and eat them. A mantis. Some mantises are so large and strong they can even kill small birds. A beetle should be easy. But not this one. A fraction of a second after the mantis strikes, the beetle squirts hot gas and caustic chemicals in its face. The chemicals are produced by a reaction in its abdomen, which generates enough heat to bring the liquid close to boiling point. The bombardier's spray can be deadly to smaller creatures. But the mantis is large, and it survives. As does the beetle.